United Healthcare Health Maintenance Organization (HMO) plans offer comprehensive coverage with a focus on preventive care and cost-effective healthcare services. HMOs generally require members to choose a primary care physician (PCP) and obtain referrals to see specialists. This approach promotes coordinated and efficient healthcare delivery. One of the key features of United Healthcare HMO plans is preventive care coverage. This includes routine checkups, vaccinations, and screenings at little to no cost for members. Preventive services are crucial for early detection and management of health conditions, contributing to overall well-being. HMO plans typically cover a wide range of medical services, including hospital stays, surgeries, and emergency care. Prescription drug coverage is often included, ensuring access to necessary medications. Members may also benefit from wellness programs and resources to support a healthy lifestyle. Specialty care within the HMO network is accessible through referrals from the PCP. While this promotes cost-effective care, it's essential for members to understand and adhere to the referral process to maximize coverage. United Healthcare HMO plans may also offer additional perks, such as telehealth services, which allow members to consult with healthcare professionals remotely. This can be convenient for non-emergency medical issues and may enhance accessibility to care. However, it's crucial for individuals considering United Healthcare HMO plans to review the specific details of coverage, including network providers, co-payments, deductibles, and any limitations. Understanding the plan's terms ensures members can make informed decisions about their healthcare and avoid unexpected out-of-pocket expenses. In summary, United Healthcare HMO plans prioritize preventive care, coordination through a primary care physician, and cost-effective healthcare services. Members can access a broad range of medical services within the network, emphasizing the importance of proactive health management.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.